Mr. Beast uses 3 types of zooms: bouncy, smooth, ease out. That's literally what makes his edits so insanely dynamic. Today, I'm gonna show you how to recreate all 3 right inside Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. Quick thing first though, to do these zooms in one click and have them super smooth, you're gonna need Smoothify. It's on blinkl.io, free, link in the description. All right, let's go. Zoom number 1, the bouncy zoom. This is Mr. Beast's reaction zoom, you know? When a price pops on screen, when an asset appears, it's all over his videos. Select your clip in the timeline, go into Effect Controls, add a keyframe at the start on the scale, like set it to 0, and 1 to 2 seconds later, set the scale to 100, like this. Now, super important, place your playhead between the 2 keyframes. Open the ring with Control plus right click. Click the blinkl icon in the middle, go to Smoothify. In the curve graph, select Elastic Out. Set stiffness to 4, damping to 0.3, hit apply. That's the exact same bounce as Mr. Beast.
No joke, we got our hands on over.
Zoom number 2, the smooth zoom. Simplest one, but honestly one of the coolest. Mr. Beast uses it all the time to add energy or push on a word or a visual detail, you know? Same thing, 2 scale keyframes. First one at 100, end one at 115. Playhead between the 2, open the ring, Smoothify. In the graph editor, reproduce exactly this curve. Before you apply, you can save it as a preset. Click Save as Preset, give it a name, done. Now hit apply.
Now the best part of the room.
If this tutorial's helping, subscribe. Last one, the ease out zoom. Most used zoom in Mr. Beast's videos. Super fast at the start, slow deceleration at the end. He punches in on a face or introduces a location with this one. 2 scale keyframes. First at 100, end at 120. Playhead between the 2, ring, Smoothify, reproduce this curve. Save as preset if you want. Hit apply. Look at that, a proper ease out zoom. 3 zooms, bouncy for reactions and assets, smooth to add energy to a moment, ease out for close-ups. All 3 are in Smoothify, link in the description. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next, and subscribe if you want more.